The training offer satisfies demands for 4 key standpoints. A financial professional standpoint involving employers, employees, entrepreneurs, former graduate students who have found their place in the professional world. A social standpoint involving students, families, and civil society. An institutional standpoint, firstly involving university to address academic requirement issue at the request of teaching staff. And secondly, a political standpoint involving national, regional, and legal environments. The issue is how to build this common vision when the course is being reassessed, firstly in the framework of a reform, secondly to update, or thirdly to create a new course. Should we consider a sampling which embraces the existing diversity, or try to have a real statistical representativity? Among the different options, this step may be considered to include a phase of design, of carrying out the survey, of data processing, or a prospective study. The experience shows that the time allocated to develop this diagnosis is in general very short. The same often applies to the financial and human resource allocated to this activity. Is it therefore preferable to streamline the scale of this intervention by optimizing the individual and collective human resource factor of the targeted group carrying out such a diagnosis? Regarding the stakes, it's also important to identify who is capable of this diagnosis. Should we ask external experts, academic staff, and educational engineers? Or should we ask the students? Indeed, the choice of the right people to undertake this diagnosis is important and will influence the outcome. For example, with students doing survey, relevant from an educational point of view, of course, it introduces a bias to the relationships investigator-respondent, and therefore to the result obtained at the end. The professor's implication in this process appears to be a good way to strengthen the relationships between the university teaching staff and the professional.